Avalanche trim. CD player, dual zone AC, 4-wheel drive, bed liner, aluminum wheels. The Avalanche feels smooth, quiet, and tight. New car test drive. Click me. Key features include 4-wheel drive, CD player, aluminum wheels, dual zone AC, keyless entry, privacy glass, heated mirrors, electrochromic rearview mirror, bed liner. Vehicle reviews. Edmunds.com explains the key to its multi-purpose nature is the innovative Mi-Gate system that allows the partition between the cab and the truck bed to be completely removed. This extends the length of the load floor from about 5 feet to a tad over 8 feet in just a couple of minutes without hand tools. Approx. Original base sticker price, $35,200. Visit us today. Please call 918-272-1101. Ask for Ron Rattray. Classic.